In today's world, where health and nutrition have become a priority, the term superfoods is often thrown around. But what exactly are superfoods, and why are they so important to our health? This video will explore the meaning of superfoods, their incredible benefits, and why you should consider incorporating them into your daily diet. What are superfoods? Superfoods are nutrient-rich foods that are particularly beneficial for your health and well-being. They are loaded with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and other essential nutrients that boost your body's performance, prevent diseases, and support overall health. Unlike processed foods that provide empty calories, superfoods offer dense nutrition that can positively impact your energy levels, brain function, and immune system. Superfoods are not a new trend. Many of them have been consumed for centuries for their healing and nutritional properties. These foods are typically plant-based, but can also include some fish and dairy products. Popular types of superfoods. Here are some common examples of superfoods that you should be aware of. Berries, blueberries, strawberries, acai berries. Berries are packed with antioxidants, particularly vitamin C and flavonoids. These antioxidants fight free radicals in the body, reducing inflammation and the risk of chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. Blueberries, in particular, are known for boosting brain health and improving memory. 2. Leafy greens, spinach, kale. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are nutrient powerhouses. They are rich in vitamins A, C, K, and folate and contain a lot of fiber, which promotes gut health. Kale is also known for its high calcium content, which supports bone health. 3. Nuts and seeds, almonds, chia seeds, flax seeds. Nuts and seeds are a fantastic source of healthy fats, protein, and fiber. Almonds, for example, are rich in vitamin E, which supports skin health, while chia seeds are packed with omega-3 fatty acids that are crucial for heart health. Flax seeds help lower cholesterol and improve digestion due to their high fiber content. 4. Fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines. Fatty fish are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain function and heart health. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and decrease the risk of heart disease. Salmon, in particular, is also high in vitamin D, which supports bone health and the immune system. 5. Whole grains, quinoa, oats. Whole grains like quinoa and oats provide sustained energy due to their complex carbohydrates and high fiber content. They help regulate blood sugar levels, lower cholesterol, and support a healthy digestive system. 6. Avocados. Avocados are rich in healthy monounsaturated fats that are great for heart health. They also provide potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure, and vitamin E, which supports skin health. 7. Turmeric. Turmeric is known for its potent anti-inflammatory properties due to the compound curcumin. It is commonly used in treating inflammation-related conditions, such as arthritis, and can improve overall joint health. 8. Green tea. Green tea is rich in antioxidants, particularly catechins, which help protect the heart and brain. It's also known for boosting metabolism and aiding in weight loss. How do superfoods benefit your health? The benefits of superfoods extend far beyond simply meeting your nutritional needs. Here's how they can improve your health. 1. Boosts immunity. Superfoods like berries, leafy greens, and citrus fruits are packed with vitamins and antioxidants that strengthen your immune system. These nutrients help your body fight off infections, reduce inflammation, and maintain overall wellness. 2. Improves heart health. Foods like fatty fish, nuts, seeds, and avocados are known for their heart-healthy fats. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in salmon and chia seeds, lower cholesterol levels, reduce blood pressure, and prevent heart diseases. 3. Promotes weight loss. Superfoods are typically low in calories but high in fiber, which makes you feel full longer. Whole grains like quinoa and oats help stabilize blood sugar levels and reduce cravings, while foods like green tea boost metabolism, aiding in weight loss. 4. Enhances brain function. Superfoods such as blueberries, fatty fish, and green tea contain compounds that support cognitive function. Omega-3s improve memory and mood, while antioxidants reduce brain inflammation and oxidative stress, which are linked to neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. 5. Supports digestive health. The high fiber content in foods like chia seeds, oats, and leafy greens promotes healthy digestion. Fiber improves bowel movements, prevents constipation, and nourishes beneficial gut bacteria, which is crucial for a healthy digestive system. 6. Prevents chronic diseases. The antioxidants found in superfoods, such as turmeric and berries, help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. This can lower the risk of chronic diseases like cancer, heart disease, and diabetes. 7. Improves skin and hair. Superfoods like avocados, nuts, and berries are rich in vitamins and healthy fats that nourish the skin and hair. Vitamin E in almonds helps protect skin from sun damage, while the antioxidants in berries promote youthful, glowing skin. How to incorporate superfoods into your diet. Adding superfoods to your diet doesn't have to be difficult or expensive. Here are a few tips. Start your day with a superfood-packed smoothie by blending leafy greens, berries, chia seeds, and a spoonful of almond butter. Snack on nuts or seeds instead of processed foods like chips or candy. Add turmeric to soups or stir-fries for a powerful anti-inflammatory boost. Switch to whole grains like quinoa or brown rice for a more nutritious alternative to refined grains. Enjoy fatty fish like salmon at least twice a week to reap the benefits of omega-3 fatty acids. Superfoods are more than just a trend. They are a natural, delicious way to enhance your health and well-being. By incorporating nutrient-rich foods like berries, leafy greens, fatty fish, and seeds into your diet, you can experience a wide range of health benefits, from improved brain function to a stronger heart. Remember, balance is key. While superfoods can elevate your nutrition, they are most effective as part of a varied and balanced diet. Make superfoods a regular part of your meals and give your body the fuel it needs to thrive.